Oh my goodness. Can you see this beautiful fabric? I mean, I guess beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but this is, I don't know, beautiful in my eye. And I had talked about my new blenders that I'd found, that I'd fallen in love with when I had purchased a um, kit for a mystery quilt, and it had some of these, and I didn't know what they were, and I thought, some of this might just kind of work, and I know it would work with grunge and stuff like this, and I don't know. Sometime I think it was in April of last year. It could have been March. I don't know. We're getting very close into a time frame here. Could have been earlier last year. It could have been January, February. I don't know. But I had talked about the one fabric that I just could not cut. It's a sentimental to me fabric, but it has finally, thanks to some of these, spoken to me and told me what it wants to be. And I hope that I can only do this beautiful, beautiful fabric justice. Now, in that line, there are colors that I haven't been able to get my hands on. There's like a teal, there's some mauves and wine colors that might just work. I know there's other greens. I'll get my hands on them, but I don't think they would work with this currently. But saying all of that, I am wanting to audition fabrics for this because A, it's National Quilting Month. B, I have wanted to use this, and now that I know what I wanted to use it for, National Quilting Month would probably be a good time to use it. And, I think finally maybe with what I do, hopefully it'll work. I don't know. It's just beautiful. And I would hate to mess it up. Anyway, saying that, all of those model blenders that you saw, most of them were more of a pastel range. The ones that would work, there was a red and orange and a color that wouldn't work. But I had made a purchase of some that I thought might. And, it all depends on what you place some of these against as to what colors it might bring out. Originally, I was thinking I would bring out these, but that's pretty too. So is this. I might bring out some of these and some of these. I think it all kind of depends on the yardage I have. And just looking at it, well, I mean, what would those two look like together? I mean, or maybe if you're more doing those, well, you might see it more better on this one since it's a little bit closer. What does that look like? Or this? This is, I guess, the green. I don't know. But then if we take that one away and we put in, let's get some of this stuff out of here. This dark one, it's a darker. It was one of the ones that was in there. I like that color. This is either purple or grape. One of them's purple, one of them's grape. I don't know which is which. But it would work in some of this. Here. It could work with different colors. I mean, it could work with a blue or Oh my goodness, the yellow. Look at that. I mean, really. I don't know about those, but there is another. Oh my goodness. That could work. Look at that. I mean, this brings out. This is more of an aqua kind of in here, but and it makes this yellowish around here pop. It stands out against this purple. It stands out against the blue, and the purple's here. It works with the teal. I don't know. Possibly. We have a. Oh, what do you think about those combinations? Because I think I may have enough fabric that I can highlight both of these. I can't tell you what I'm planning on doing, but I might be able to highlight both of these, and I only want to use 2 accent fabrics. And this one's not a sure thing yet. I mean, let's just go on to the next one. I don't know. What do you think? And then we take those away. Oh my goodness. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm almost done, I think. Look at that one. This one, while it works with this, I'm not sure about that, although it does make this color pop. Could we use it with... I don't know. What do you think about that one? Or that one? Nah. Oh. Oh, yeah. What do you think about that? Aqua and sage. And that might work. Of course, nah, I don't think that one's gonna go good. This one, it might, but I think it's a little dark, especially for the ones where I highlight here. But it could be used against a light green. I don't know. I think all these others become a little bit lost, don't you? I don't know. Let's see. And then there's... How would that be? Are those... That would work with both, I think. I don't know. I don't know. Which color combination would you use? Bye.